shop, man. Snowed in, man, here in Arkansas, man. Look here, man. Miserable, man. Left my bag, tablet, camera, everything at the shop, man. Man. But look here, got one for you. Got a banger. Here it go. Yeah! It's your boy at the Barber 24, man. Lock in, subscribe, man, and follow your boy. Look here, man. You see what it is, man. He came as is. Early morning action, man. Back at the shop, man. Been snowed in for a week, man. Look here in Arkansas, man. And I'm with it. I'm turned up. You know this, man. Look here, man. We got a mid fade, you know what I'm saying, with the sponge effect, man. A couple enhancements on the line, you know what I'm saying, man. Hey, look here, it's your boy, man. Stay tuned, man. Follow the video, man. Like, subscribe, man. And check this out. You already know. Tell somebody to tell somebody to tell somebody about your boy. You dig? So yeah, you know we gotta start this thing off right, man. We gotta go in, comb it out, you know what I'm saying. Shape it up, you know what I'm saying. Do what we need to do to prep the hair before we get ready to touch the hair, you dig? It's your boy at the Barber, man, 24, man. You see what it is, man. It's the pink, red, gold thing, you know what I'm saying? And we're going in and we're going to set our guide all the way around the head, trying to be consistent all the way around, you know what I'm saying, the head, you know what I'm saying, get it down to, ball, and work this thing, you know what I'm saying. So look here, man, just follow the video, you dig? It's your boy at the Barber 24.
Work ethic made me a boss. Preparation saved me a loss. Won't let them slay me at all. Not having gave me the sauce. In my living days, I want it all. Even in my grave, I'm a ball. Broke days, no one to call. Support had no one at all. Raised by the streets, I'm a king. From dreaming of living my dream. Loyalty to me is everything. Sacrifice for me and my team. It all run when I swing. Big steppers and I'm a queen. Always be a man.
Yeah, and right here I'm finna go in with them pink things, man. Blade all the way open, man. Set my second guide, you know what I'm saying, on this mid fade. And work the same thing, man, all the way around, you know what I'm saying. Not going up too high, but maybe about an inch, you know what I'm saying. Set my second guide, and you see as I'm prepping and going around, I'm also steady combing the hair also, you know what I'm saying, to get it to relax and lay where I need to lay, because he has very tight curly hair, you know what I'm saying. So yeah, you know what I'm saying, puts my 1.5s on, you know what I'm saying, going up in that thing, not too far, just set my third guy. It's really my third guy. You gotta have an eye for this, you know what I'm saying. You got to know how much to go in and how far, you know what I'm saying, to go up into the top, you know what I'm saying. Cause you go too high, you know what I'm saying, you don't want the hair just sitting on top of the head, you know what I'm saying, with the indent. But yeah, continue to watch, continue to follow, you know what I'm saying. And I'm also working the lever as I was going in, so I was taking a little bit off, and you know what I'm saying. And here you said came back in, you know what I'm saying. I got the guard. I'm working hands when I got it all the way closed, you know what I'm saying. Yeah, so I'm just working all the way around the head, man. You see I'm steady combing the hair, prepping the hair, you know what I'm saying, to lay it the way I need to lay, you know what I'm saying. But yeah, y'all know all this, man, you know what I'm saying. Y'all super Barber, man. Keep following your boys. It's the Barber 24. Yeah. Yeah, here I grabbed my Masters, you know what I'm saying. One reason why I grabbed the Masters is because it has a longer blade on it, you know what I'm saying, which means that I started out with it all the way open, that way I wouldn't cut too much hair, and I closed it halfway just to start blending that second guide down, cutting it down a little bit. But yeah, But one thing I don't care for, I like them, but I don't care for these clippers. They're loud, super loud, man. So yeah, I really don't run them that much, you know what I'm saying? But I love the blade, the long blade on it. And you know, back to them pink things, man. The hair part on. Yeah, you did. Yeah. Yeah, and right here, man, I'm going in with them Orsa things, you know what I'm saying? Just blending that line out, man. Getting into this. He has a tight grade of curls in his hair, so you know you have to work it, you know what I'm saying? So I'm going in, steady combing it out. Here I go in with the gold things, you know what I'm saying? Barber's joints, and you see I turned the blade upside down. Another blending technique. But I'm just using the corners and the edges, you know what I'm saying? Trying to get that blend to perfection. And really not to perfection, but because in this game, there's really ain't such thing as perfection. But, you know, just doing my thing, you know what I'm saying? Just loving what I'm doing. And appreciate my client trying to do the best job I can. And here I go doing that raking technique again. Just getting the hair to lay down the way I need it to lay down. But one thing about these Barber's joints, you know what I'm saying? I can get down to the skin real good. So, yeah. Come back in with the 1.5 with them pink things, you know what I'm saying? Them irrigos. And I'm going up into it. But just, as you see, I'm combing. But I'm just tapping, just not going all the way in there, but just tapping. But instead of combing and laying the hair down the way I need it to lay down and getting it blending. And yeah, right here, we're just going back with that 1.5 again. We're gonna work our way around the crown of the back of his head. And just take it to the other side and do the same process that we did on the right side of his head to the left side of his head. Yeah, man. Continue to watch and follow the process. You know what I'm saying? You did. It's your boy, the Barber, man. I'm sorry for the long wait, but I had some things going on, man. Weather and all this, but hey, I'm back, man. I'm finna drop bangers after bangers, man. Hey, look here. If you ain't been following me, and it's your first time watching, look here, man. Lock in, man. Ring that bell, man. You know what I'm saying? Tell somebody about your boy, man. Look here, man. Arkansas, stand up, support your man. Yeah.
With no consideration for dislike, alright? It took some isolation to get right. Perfect plan and got it paying and I just right. The women been demanding when it come to my sex life. Niggas been on the hand and now I'm living my best life. If I can stay the course and make it happen, you can too. If I can focus on what make me happy, you can too. If you don't learn to motivate yourself, then you
team, man. Look here, man. On this side angle, man. Look at that fade. Look at that blend. Look at the drop in it. You know what I'm saying? Man, I just don't know what to tell you, you know what I'm saying? It's a process, you know what I'm saying? They go in with them Orsa joints, the white, you know what I'm saying? Ceramic blade, and I clear up, man, all the way down to the skin, man. You know what I'm saying? And you've seen it before, you know what I'm saying? And in a minute, you're going to see the outcome, you know what I'm saying? It's a process. I always trust the process. I do the same things continuously on every haircut, you know what I'm saying? I found out my plan. I work it, you know what I'm saying, on how to cut grape fades or whatever, or haircuts, you know what I'm saying, after years and years of mistakes and everything. So, and I'm not saying I'm the best because I continue to make mistakes, but yet it's still, you know what I'm saying, I'm still doing this, you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna feed my family, you know what I'm saying, I'm providing a living for my family off this. So yeah, I just stick with the process, man. And clients continue to come see me, man. So yeah, man, new this, you know what I'm saying, stay true to this, you know what I'm saying, it's your boy at the bar.
They see you doing real good alone, the jealousy rise. Instead of admitting secret jealousy, they telling me lies about how they really been happy for me, when the truth is they did nothing to help make this magic moment happen for me. I never asked for their money, I just needed support. Get over aggressive, then some people wanna see me in court. won't speak their mind in public, rendering a secret report. My long-lasting loyalty to them was keeping me short. Yet my weakness for others' happiness was making me strong. Change amongst people that refuse to change, take it as wrong. You would think that we could change together. Into differences occur in the real stand-up guys change for the better. For the better. You see me changing for the better. You see me changing for the better. You see me changing.
I know you see me switching different clippers. Sure, I probably could do every haircut with one pair of clippers, but one thing I've learned, each one of my clippers do a certain different thing with a different blade on it. So therefore it gives me a different look. So I was blessed to be able to have different clippers, and I know the effect that each one of the clippers will do. So when I'm cutting, you know what I'm saying, I already in the head, I know what clippers I need to grab that will give me a better effect. And if it don't, I grab the other clipper, you know what I'm saying, with a different blade, a fade blade on it, or taper fade blade on it. This will give me a different effect, a different look. It'll give me a different feel in my hand, a comfortability while cutting. You know what I'm saying? So that's why, you know what I'm saying? But as you and others continue to cut hair, you know what I'm saying, you become loyal or like different clippers that you have in your arsenal. In my arsenal, you know what I'm saying, I bang with them bangers, you know what I'm saying, them pink things, them ergos, them babblers, them wall joints, you know what I'm saying. I'm true to them. And yes, I got the Andes, you know what I'm saying. They just heavier, you know what I'm saying. So I prefer and loud, you know what I'm saying. So the Andes, you know what I'm saying, I use them, and I like them, but you know, I like to use what's comfortable to me and my clients. So yeah, on the clipper game, you know what I'm saying. I'm always looking for a better clipper, you know what I'm saying, or liner, you know what I'm saying, because whatever works for you may not work for me, and whatever works for me may not work for you. You dig what I'm saying? But yeah, it's your boy Ed the Barber, man. Y'all continue to watch this video all the way out, man, and watch the finished product. It's your boy. Yeah. Right here, I'm just not shaping it, the haircut. I'm going in and knocking those little stubbles, the little ends off of it before I sponge the hair, you know what I'm saying? Give it the effect that he's looking for, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, man, it's coming out great, man. And yeah, y'all just continue, man, you know what I'm saying? You see them pink things, man. I just love the blade on these things, man, and the feel and the hold in your hand, you know what I'm saying? Ergos did that, you know what I'm saying, when they made these, you know what I'm saying? Top of the line, man, them pink things. Yeah, just a few seconds, man, as a sponge, you know what I'm saying? And a little cream on top, you know what I'm saying? You see the effect that it did. Yeah, hit it with a little hold and spray around the front of the hairline, you know what I'm saying? And get rid of line this thing up, man. Brush out around the side of the haircut from the effect of the sponge, you know what I'm saying? And here I'm gonna go in and just clean up some things on the sides too, you know what I'm saying? With my clippers, you know what I'm saying, from after I sponge the hair, you know what I'm saying, the way the hair is laying, I see some yeah, going in with them pink things, you know what I'm saying, I mean them red things, excuse my language, them red things, and just tapping that hairline real quick, you know, and yeah, man, from this point on, man, y'all, I'm through talking, man, y'all go ahead and follow this thing out, man. Watch it, man. Comment, man. And tell me what you think, man. It's your boy Ed the Barber, man. And yeah, tell somebody about your boy. Yeah, Ed the Barber 24.
I'm pressure made empire. I'm pressure made. I'm pressure made empire.
Yeah, little enhancements here, you know what I'm saying, with the client's request, you know, didn't need it, but look here, I believe in it, man, you know what I'm saying. If it'll take the haircut to another level, you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna give it to him, man, you know what I'm saying. Hey, you just got a promotion on the job, we're gonna make him look like money when he go in today, you dig what I'm saying. Hit it with a light spritz, you know what I'm saying, the hose, you know what I'm saying, oil sheen, you know what I'm saying, let that thing dry, and we're gonna pop it with that razor, man. Look here, man, we're gonna get this money, you dig. Excuse my language again, you know what I'm saying, but yeah, we're gonna get this money, you know what I'm saying. That's what I'm here to do, you know what I'm saying. Make my clients feel good. And as you'll see at the end of this video, I think I did my job, you know what I'm saying. As Martin said, I think I've done my job. You did. It's your boy at the Barber, man, 24, man. Holla at me.
I'm pressure made. Work ethic made me a boss. Preparation saved me a loss. Won't let them slay me at all. Not having gave me the sauce. In my living days, I want it all. Even in my grave, I'm a ball. Broke days, no one to call. Support had no one at all. Raised by the streets, I'm a king. From dreaming of living my dream. Loyalty to me is everything. Sacrifice for me and my team. It all run when I swing. Big steppers and I'm a queen. Always be a man of my word. 10 toes stand on my word. Check the old word is my bond. Never switch word on my son. Face the pressure, swear I won't run. Evidence when pressure come. Won't let them make me out a liar. Duration, no, I don't get tired. Stand with my niggas in the fire. Pressure made the empire. I'm pressure made. I'm pressure made empire. I'm pressure made. I'm pressure made empire. I'm pressure made. I'm pressure made empire. I'm pressure made. I'm pressure made.
Yeah, you see what you see, man. So tell me, man, why should my confidence be what my confidence is at? You dig what I'm saying? Look here, man. I'm sending this man out in the world, man, to do what he gotta do, man. And you know what I'm saying, to pull whatever he need to pull, you know what I'm saying, to make whatever he need to make. It's your boy at the bar, man. I'm just doing my thing. 24.